Hello. Okay. Yeah, this seemed like I can monitor the audio at the same time that I'm outputting it. Just weird because the music I can monitor it. There's a weird thing going on. I don't even know. I don't even want to explain. To explain it, yeah. So everything is working so far. Yeah, in both streamings. Are you gonna wait until the 5 minute mark? Just because that's usually when the problems start emerging in the audio specifically. Start emerging. Maybe I can modify the. No, I can't. No, I think I can. Well, it's whatever. Because I wanted to output the max for YouTube, the 8 kbps. Sorry, the 8 mbps. Okay, okay, I still hear you. Okay. Okay, I don't know if I can actually hear it. Because if I hear it just one time, means that probably on the streaming you actually guys can hear it. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. So annoying, man. I didn't want to need to. Oh, maybe I can. That's so. Because you guys will hear my. Because you guys. Oh. uh, my all my sounds from my desktop. That's what I wanted to avoid, but seems there's no case. Oh, I actually need the. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Kind of crappy that I have to guys to listen to everything that I to listen to. I guess right now it is monitoring, so that is what is avoiding that's happening. See if we can modify the. Thing is, how about control? The ABU control keeps failing. Oh, but I have the different sync. Yeah, this doesn't work for anything. Let me just close the YouTube Music and open it again. Nope, still can't listen to it. Okay, I can try keep PW graph. Could not open. Okay. Um, connect this to this. Okay, so no, still is connected. I think it was this one. Connect. There we go. Okay, so you guys should begin to
Okay,
hear
so
it.
you guys should begin to
Okay,
hear
so
it.
you guys should.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, so I will have to drop the streaming playback. Okay, this is too late. That this later than I expected. The thing is that the I don't know if I think I've mentioned that display was coming, so on. Display was already here. I just had to go fetch it, and I fetch it, and I'm here. I think I'm gonna put this streaming on the background, just paused. Hopefully that doesn't this consumes bandwidth. I don't think it does. I'm right now at some 60 something KB per second. I'm looking at the levels of my audio. Everything seems fine. Slash the camera. Is everything ready for the camera? Yeah, I think I'm gonna hide some things. Oh my god. There's a lot of things behind me. Here we go. As you can see, I added the audio from, you know, streaming that I was using for before. Just had the amuse there. I guess you guys can see what I'm pointing at. But what happened, or the reason that I decided to just put music and why it's Persona OST specifically, um, besides being handpicked by me, doesn't mean much. But it is what it is. I handpicked it. I just picked the songs that I liked and just put it in a playlist. Well, the problem was that before yesterday, I just put the Amuse without showing, without you guys couldn't hear the music itself. Apparently, just showing the track on screen is enough for the DMCA, not the takedown, but the claim of the entire streaming's revenue. So I'm like, I'm not into this for that revenue specifically, but at the same time, like I want to be in control with what with that. So I decided, well, just fuck it. It's just for music. Anyway, they're gonna probably charge. It's not that like the songs they were just bad songs. They didn't deserve the money in any sort of way. I'm trying to say that, but at the same time, I I didn't expect to be just like maybe it's because it's the album cover art cover that was on the screen that counts as something. I don't know. At the same time, if the music is so annoying, I'll just put it out. Sometimes I just need to think and just get everything out and just like try to do this. Actually think if I don't know if you guys can hear this. Oh, you can. Uh if that happens. Oh, but I will try not to do that. Actually, I don't care much about doing or not doing that. Um okay, so let's begin. I don't know where to begin. Okay, let me Just want to open. I think the last thing that we did was the exercise 110. Can it close? Is safe? Okay. Okay, okay. And everything seems working at least for now. Oh, and it's one of the better songs of Persona 3. Well, let me just open the terminal. I don't even remember or what was it for. Like what which folder? I think it's the name in Unix. Okay, I know. I know. What? Uh, what? This is difficult because now I don't know like for you guys information, I have a tablet and then I have the keyboard like in this order, you know. So when I type, now the tablet is where's it actually here? The tablet now is in the way of the keywords. I can see thing there. Silver. Oh my god, what am I here? See, turn 630. By the way, I changed the microphone. I changed the lights a little, and the other screen came out. So I think everything is set up. The other thing that I will change is the keyboard, just because I sometimes this keyboard just gets stuck for whatever reason. I can't pinpoint why because like it works. If I go like in a straight press, it works. If I go in a slightly angled position, it has a more a bit more of a resistance there. It's just pretty annoying. So I will replace that one. And the replacement has already came, but it's not here. Maybe by the night it will be here. Maybe not. Okay. If I'm not incorrectly, the last one was copy imp out. Let me cat that file. I think I can show you guys that. So I just it's not just my face. Uh, yep. So let's go higher. So it can be here. This is audio. I'm just selecting the here. Actually, let me first Control L. Oh, there we go. I don't know if the let me check that real quick. I don't know if the Pomodoro got reset it. It should. This has a filter, right? So I have to save the filter. Yep. It got taken off in camera. So that is useful for future knowledge. Yep. Curious. Well, whatever. Let's just get copy input out. Our program to copy its input. Its output. Placing each tab. What's the strings one? Sorry. And what else we have here? No, this is not the one, definitely. I think I'll see display CBB. Yep. Okay, so we are at at chapter 1.5.4. I don't know if I can complete the chapter by today. Let's try at least. And well, for this, we're gonna go back to the tablet, and let's actually begin the Pomodoro. Okay, so the chapter uh section 1.5.4 is about word counting. For we're about word character counting, actually. Oh, okay. And file copying, line counting. Okay. In find out 0. I don't know. I still don't understand what a symbolic variable, I think is the name, is for, but it is just, I don't know. I think we made the case before, but why? I mean, let's recapitulate whatever we have learned so far. I've learned something, some at some degree about these the symbolic constants. Sorry. Let's see what I have written here. Of course, text input and output. A loose definition about what a C program is. Comments, statements, functions, and variables, which are what C programs are made of. Which at the same time, the functions are made of statements, the variables are made of values, and also of libraries declarations. I think that's the name. And of course, the main function. And then the introduction mentioned that we were going to mention the variables and constants, arithmetic, control flow. This is listenable? Yeah, I think it is. But the low levels are a little low. Because arithmetic, control flow, functions, burn output. This is what it will show its basics in this chapter. And then the intentionally left out information is about these pointers, structures, control flow statements, standard library, and that those themes are going to be touched in the chapter 2 onwards. At least that's how I not assume, but interpret what's in here. Okay, so what I can see right now, I'm trying to express this in a here is a library declaration, symbolic constants. It's a comment what the program does, I guess. Count lines, words, and characters in input. Then there's the main function. And then there's the brackets. Or I won't say. I won't mention that. It's obvious. And then there's the when you okay, you have a variable. You first before assigning it, you declare it. I believe declaration statement. There's the assignment statement, right? I have it here. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this is first the declaration of here declarations. Something I don't know if I forgot, but I believe they said in a moment the book that all the variables are assumed to be constants. At the same time, I haven't done anything, but when I declare the variables, normally they're variables, not constants. I don't know if that was true or was symbolic constants. There are constants. Anyway, actually, and also too, I don't believe there's a Boolean type so far. Everything seems at least that Booleans are 1 or 0. I don't know if it's an int per se, because for example, here it is declaring C and W. Let's see, did I use it sometime? No, because this is an int, an int. What is C? What is C? Oh, sys. Yeah, sys character basically, but it's assigned an int because like I guess int has enough space to store a variable, a character. But then NL and W and C are all ints, like just ints, and then state. Yeah, actually, there's no booleans apparently because it states, which is the 1 and 0, which are defined as inside a word, not outside a word, a boolean, in all but name. Uh, is used to actually store the state. Uh, a little bit redundant there, but yeah, it's storing the state of the program, I guess. Now about the logic of the program itself. Okay, there's declarations and there's assignments. Then there's a while. Let's say contract flow. Contract flow. Sorry. If statement. There's um a new it existed. That's why I didn't use it before. Do you remember when I said um I don't know if I can use else or something like that. It was basically an else, a typical else condition, but it was like actually let me put the music here in the a tablet one because for what it is right now, like I don't even know if I'm putting it here actually. Oh, I don't have it. Something climatic. I don't know. Do you put it or not? I don't know. Let's put it for now. Then if it is too cumbersome or something. No, I do have it. What the fuck? Yes. Oh, and the muse. Oh, and the muse too was there. And the muse was there too, but it was just oh Sure is. Um, well, there's an else statement. Else statement. I'll wait till I define else to see if the same else that I will understand. Okay, now they are describing the program. Let me see I was saying that I want to review the logic first. So well, we have the declaration of the libraries that we're going to use. Then we have the definition of these symbolic constants of in and out, 1 and 0 respectively. We have a comment about what the program is about. Then the main declaration of the main function. And then there's the opening brackets for that. Then there's the declaration for C and L and W and C and state, all of them as a int. We assign state to out, that is 0, that is false in Boolean, I guess, and also assign NL and W and C as 0. So entering to the logic of the program itself, if the character is not at the file, then we sum number of characters, I guess, and C plus 1. And if it's not, oh, it uses what I was telling about before, because I guess every time it declares get char, which makes sense, we'll pass to the next word in the stream of text, or next char in the stream of text. So you will have to declare it, store it, and then make logic as operations over the stored variable. So if the character that we're seeing is not a new line, or is a new line, we add to the new line if the character is either a space, a new line, or a tab. We declare that it's outside a word, and if the state is out, okay, if it is neither of those, what? Okay, if it wasn't before, okay, if it is not a space, okay, if it is part of a word, because it's not part of, like, the character itself is not a space, a new line, or tab, means it is a word that is where they use an else. And if it is that and the state is out, the state will be then in, and it will be counted as a new word. By the way, I want to check just for a second. No, don't tell me. And tell me you guys haven't been listening to these songs all this time. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, that was my bad. Well, at least I notice it now, not later, I guess. What did I want to check? I want to check if the, well, whatever. Let's just mute and pause. Yeah, we're fine. And I don't remember what I want to check. Let's put the music back in. Sorry. So really, we'll go like, oh, is this man crazy? What is he? What is he talking about? Let me see. I don't remember what I was about to say. Well then, it comes to new word, and then but what second, because they didn't really introduce anything new besides the else. Am I right? I don't know. Okay, so as they don't have booleans, I guess, and they use indeed 1 and 0, they use in and out for this explanation they give, right? Or the the authors, yeah. They use in and out, even though they are indeed ints, because in and out is more readable than saying 1 and 0. But at the same time, why don't they use false true? Is that a keyword? Let me see if because I have a beam. It's placed here. This one. Oh, beam, not cat. Control T, beam. False. It is a keyword. True. Oh. A dots. Wait, comma. Print F. A. Comma. CC. Play CB. Let's see. All right. I have to go. Essentially C. B, I guess. Okay. A. Control B. Okay, what? Bim. Boolean is. It actually worked. C. And should be. Huh. Oh. Yeah, at least the character is 0, which I guess means that it indeed is 0. Pretty bizarre. I don't know why I'm getting this then. What did it introduce me to actual, or did the internet trying to tell me that this is a roundabout way of telling me that ints are just booleans, instead of actually telling me that ints are booleans. Sorry, booleans are ints. Yeah, I know what this is. Okay, and is more, its percentage is higher than or. If C is a blank, there's no need to test whether it's linear or tough, so the tests are not made. What? I don't know. I don't get it. The kinds of imp are most likely to uncover bugs if there are any. Kinds of input. I guess not from a keyboard, but from a file, I will guess. I don't know what kind of question is that. Kind of like kinds of input. This song is super. It doesn't even appear. Oh my god. It's like there's nothing there. Oh my god. Oh, whatever. Our program dispense prints its output, prints its input, one word per line. Okay, as always, I try to do this from memory. Not because I believe I'm the best of memory, but actually because I believe that's better from my understanding. That is trying to test if I understood what they were telling me. One per line, let's see. So decided immediately here. Control B, A, da, and then hashtag define. No, sorry. Include. City now. What's the name? Include a city in .h. IO, city IO. Okay, let's try and do this. We'll check later if I'm correct. Oh, the periods end. Okay, before that, we'll include define. Oh, I have to talk here and not avoid the microphone actually. I should define n 0 hashtag Oh well, I guess it may make more sense if it's the opposite. Um, so it's one word per line. So it only takes words, not tabs, backwards, and so on. I don't remember tabs and backwards. Oh, I want the break. Let's take a look outside. I believe, I don't know if someone. Oh, and I have to actually lower the sound of this. So it was on a particularly low volume song. I think I'm gonna eliminate that song because it's just that one song, you know. Yeah, let's try to think about the answer. Actually, you guys hear me? I'll try and. Oh, it's hard to not think about the answer. Oh. So here we were. We don't need to count at all. But we don't need the state, that is if it is in a word or not, and the character itself. Prints its input one word per line. Okay, I guess. Oh, I need to comma here. I guess what I need is what they want me to do is, let's say for example, I say flowers are red, and then there's gonna be the output of that input is gonna be flowers are red. If that is the case, we just need to know when we're on a space or a new tab or a new line. It's pretty similar to the previous one. Is everything correct? Yeah. I thought I stepped on the on the mic. What is different? So I guess you could do while or a 4. So a 4. I like 4, so I don't know what to say about that. The first one's gonna be the. Actually, if we have 4, we don't need this. So we need the end. We could do state, comma, C, semicolon, C is not equal to a file. Let's go to space. Spaces so it is more comprehensible apparently, according to the book. And then the next one is gonna be SQL get char. Just in case, forgot. And then I wasn't speak to the microphone. The actual content of this function is gonna be it's going to be, what is it going to be? Is it in or out? So I guess we gotta define and declare the same function int state equals out out comma and if C equals what if it is a new line or tab or space? Nothing. What if it is not? Actually, because I believe if I do this, if I do it this way, I will be. It will be quite redundant. So if state is out, this will do something, and else if state in, which is the same, I think it's safely to say it's the opposite, that is it's else, but I don't want to jinx it, jinx it basically. Okay, so if state is out, and see, oh my god, I can't believe, oh, I can't believe I have to do this again. C is not equal these things. So if it's either of those, then state equals in and get put char C, comma. Now, if we come from a word and, because I think there's gonna be two if statements. This one where the result's gonna be, the result's gonna be actually an or, not a, oh, because this is the not. If it is not and it is in, leave state the same and put char. C, comma. Now, if it is the opposite, that is, it is indeed one of those. We're gonna need to have to do a char. Like this, I believe. And comma, and the state's gonna be out. Oh, sorry. I did this 2 times, by the way. 2 times incorrectly. What else? Let's see if that is enough. So CC 1. Put a line, let's see. Correct. Okay. Let's try it out. So if I say 8 dot dot. Okay, till now it seems fine. So let's try roses are red. Well, okay, the thing is that okay, I've noticed some where it fails. Like, for example, here. I don't know why it did an extra A. Maybe I just put an A extra. Like that. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure about this one. It seems to work, but okay, let's leave it there. Okay, but what happens if I'm... I guess it stops just doing anything. Yeah, I think it works. I mean, I don't see... I don't know if I have a bug to cover bugs, if there are any. I still don't know the answer to this question. What kinds of input are most likely to cover bugs, if there are any? I don't get it. Man, I think I'm gonna pause a second because I don't want to continue, because this is weird. I've seen a lot of errors in this book. Let me see. Get it from somewhere else, man. Because I don't know. It starts to get annoying. It starts to getting annoying.
to see me, just a cage of bones. There's nothing inside. Will it unleash me, burning down the walls? Is there a way for me to break? I'm a sharpshooter at Paul's masquerade, hiding both face and mind, all free for you to throw. I'm a sharpshooter, have no face to show. Please don't take off my mask, my disguise.
Bornstrop. Denial of service. Okay, but I want to check then if at least this is correct. Okay, yeah, I was. This is more or less what I expected. This is the different. Okay, no, such a fucking dumbass, man. How dare you? How dare you guys? How dare you? Let's see. I was like on 25th leave. No, oh no. At least I'm not that down there. I'm gonna erase. Let me see if there's a like a page width. Page width? Page, yeah. Oh, there it is. Give me a tiny second. I don't think I'm talking to the microphone. It's not that I don't have any, pen and paper and such, but it's just the tablet is just more effective in terms of trying to erase and so on and so on. Also putting the to my the phone in front of you. Actually, let me pause. I don't want to waste time on this. Or it seems like I'm just feeling time. Okay. I was just wondering, not wondering, but actually seeing my semester notes. And it seems I got what I wanted. That's a grain. That's a grain. That's a great result, actually. Okay, let us write a program to count the number of occurrences of each digit of white space characters. Line, tapping line, and of all other characters. There are 12 categories of input. Categories of input. Okay, let me say out loud what is happening, because I don't know if I can. By the way, did I put the number correctly in the? I don't think so. CDIO. Oh, right there. I have a better memory that I get paid for. This is too bright, man. This is still too bright. I'm super high. Even worse. Okay, what happens if I turn the general lights on? It's better. Okay, I said I wanted to not to say out loud the actual thing. Now let me change this scene to this one. So now I describe the function. So it's the library declaration. Then there's the comment. Then there's the main function declaration. There's the declaration statement. There's the oh, what? Oh, I guess I'm not sharing the. Let me change this. What is going on? Oh my god, I'm taking time from. This is. There's artifacting sometimes. It's not a particular, I get super angry at it, but it's curious. Here we go. Decoration comment, main, decoration statement. Then there's another decoration statement. It's for int. It's for int. Number. It's an array. Ints. Array of ints. Oh. Then there's assignment statement. Then there's a for loop. Okay, let me pause here because this is something that I do not understand out of nowhere. So it declares n digit as a 10 length 10 array of integers. So of course when it iterates that 4, it will assign it will start all of them to 0. That's I guessing what it's doing. Is there any is there not any more not useful, but like aren't they all start to 0? But okay, this now it gets a character. If it is not end of file, it continues the while. Okay, you could do declaration assignment statement inside a while argument. Okay, and I guess the scope is just a while, but as it was also declared before the while, because it is actually global scope or main scope. So okay, if the character is more than 0, which I don't know what that is, more or equal than 0, and less than or equal than 9, Okay, I get it now. I think I get it. This is so complicated. I don't even know if I'm right. What I think it is doing, it is actually taking the digits. It says to you there, I'm an idiot. It's taking the digits from 0 to 9 and counting them. And as there are indeed 10 different numbers, it uses the 10 length array to count them. So I guess I want to know what is the get char of the digits. Okay, okay, let me just to respect the door. I don't know why I was so confused by that. That is such a simple thing. Hoshito Bokurato. I don't know. What do I have? Well, I'm here to wait. I guess you guys won't even hear this. See different strings. But you can see, oh, you can see there are location. Put the brace. So you guys don't actually see what I feel or what. You guys hear me here actually? See the thing moving. Last one. Oh, I wanted to bust that. For fun. Yeah, that was pretty ass. I don't lie to you guys. I haven't really touched guitar that bad since a long time. Oh, I did say that I wanted to just show you or to me talk to the actual microphone. Let me see if I can talk. I don't hear the microphone. Let me just check a second if I'm hearing the microphone correctly. Uh, yeah, I'm hearing it clearly. I'm hearing it clearly. Okay, let's just leave it there. I don't know. Yeah, I'm hearing correctly. What was that? Line counting, word counting arrays. Yeah. Let's begin Pomodoro now. Let's show the screen. Actually, it's gonna be. Let me see. Histogram. What the fuck's histogram? I don't know what the histogram is. I just wanna go. BIM digits. Let's see. So we have to go hashtag include stdio.h, and we're just gonna go int main what else? Yeah, for well, let's by int int r equals actually I don't remember how it got. Okay. How do I do this? I don't even need this. Let's just get put char 0 and put char 9. Let's see if there's a pattern actually. Come. So cc digits dot c 8 it out. Okay. Why don't you use just n digit c? It's quite consistent. He's barking. I don't know if you guys can hear him barking. Fortunately, uh, oh, okay, I understand now. Basically, what it's saying is that if we were to put all of this entire program as text there, we will get this same thing. I guess I must monkey if I don't understand that. I don't remember a language. There are, of course. At least right now I can remember a language where it's arrays started in one. Should I add just a reading scene, or is it too wasteful? A subscript can be an integer expression, like an zero constants. Page fit. Okay. Oh, there's a switch statement indeed. Was like, well, there's no switch statement so far. Okay. What is a histogram? I have to search for that because I don't know what a histogram is. Histogram. How the fuck? Okay. Okay, so what it's basically telling me is put horizontal bars because it says that vertical orientation is more challenging. I guess it doesn't really want me to do vertical orientation. I don't know how I will do it. I guess because I will have to calculate first what is the total length, the max length, and based on that, I had to build from minimum to maximum. Give me a second, guys. And I might have to stop streaming actually. So I think the keyboard came. It's not that I can't stream without the keyboard, but I don't know. Let's see. Like, just, um, I don't know the story camera, but the camera scene, camera scene. I have to. I sometimes forget that I have to talk to the actual mic, like right now. I think like it's super annoying that you guys just hear me self-completing my my sentences with nothing. Seems like I'm just getting I'm losing the track of what I'm saying. Just that I don't know if that is a good idea. Normally it is. It's that I don't know if it's a good idea to say it. So just shut up. Sometimes it's just a hassle to keep saying it. I just know the answer. Like let's say I start saying, where is my? Then I find it, or I don't even want to say it. I just keep shut. I think that's happened a lot of times actually. Uh, here is a keyboard. Oh, I have to organize that too. It's a lot of colors. I wish I can turn it off. It's like a pilot key too. I don't want to use it at all. This was different that really show the images. Oh my god. It's whatever. I just got whatever was cheap and seemed like a enough brand. Because there were some office ones which were literally the same as the one that I had here. So I was like, I will do that. If I'm picking something different than what I have, then I have to pick something different than what I have. Actually, now I want to test this on Resident Evil 4 Mercenaries. Let's see if I can actually do this because I've been streaming for a long time. I don't know if FC can handle it. Just a brief second. I don't know. I'm gonna play it. Just one try of Leon. So I don't have my save there. But it's okay. I mean, I've played a lot of the game. Be good enough. A super of being like a mercenaries, top 1% or something. Pretty enough to get an S. So I haven't played in a long time, but I'll just try. So actually, let me close this. So I don't want to be super. Oh. And first, see if the keyboard works and connected. Oh, this is actually straight. Prefer the this key used for context, not for Copilot, whatever. Because in Windows it will make more sense. Or something. Let me close this, close this. Close this. Yeah. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Here it is, loser keyboard got dethroned. I'm gonna show. I want to berate the brand. It's just I don't know. This particularly, it was really stiff for some reason. Maybe it was because it's old. Doesn't make sense because I'm too, but whatever. Just thinking it is, and that's it. Now, the stream may be cut because there was one instance of trying to just show a game and something else. The thing just broke. Actually, let me see if there's more functions. I have the instructions. Yeah, I don't believe I need that much. I read from, yeah, from Sia Svetlova, something like that. There we go. It works. You guys could see for a while now, could hear for a while now the actual game. Just show Pomodoro. As you can see, I have nothing unlocked, of course. Let's see if it crashes. I don't think it will crash, but who knows?
Begin.
I think I remember this. See you. thread one would be. There it is. Auto. Yeah, I don't know. Oh shit. I'm beside her. Oh, what the fuck was that? Okay, what was that? What was that? Die, you piece of shit. Oh my god. was legitimately so close. Let me try something. I want to see how stressed my GPU or my everything is. My GPU is comfortable. So I have to 75 with about 30 something percent. It's really fine though. Maybe I will up this to 60 FPS next time. I don't know why, though. I will be only for games. What happened is, I think this is enough actually. Yeah. Everything seems fine with this here. Do I have another game that I want to test? I don't know. I'm not so sure. Close the game, yes. Could test the original, but I don't have in there. I can't even have the mercenaries because I have to win the game first, I believe. We could test, see what we can play on that one. So I'm not so sure. Now that I think about it. Save games on this one, so I don't have. So I don't like mercenaries on this one. Not gonna lie to you. I don't even remember if I have something locked at all. I don't have everyone. It's just Wesker. Show you. I'm so bad at this. No one in the chat I can tell what's going on.
Detrás de ti, imbécil. Voy a hacer picadillo.
Okay, so I have some meow. Yeah, baby. Let's go.
¡Cógelo!
What action? What the I don't have any. I have to use- Pretty shitty. Pretty bad. Actually. See that? There's like a little, I guess, here in that corner, like left top, top left corner. There is like the game, but it's small. Actually, now that I think about it, this game is like super loud. That I've just been playing with that. Guess I haven't been able to listen to me at all this time. So let's pause the music. Actually hide it because it's not even relevant now. I don't know what else to play. They play something else. Should I? What else do I have? I don't know if Half-Life have it saved. Yeah, I have it saved. But that is like a say another thing. I don't. Originally, I wanted to do the streaming and then play like 2 hours for streaming, but nowadays I don't know if that's a good idea even. So yes, let's put the music back. Was it ending? I don't know what happened, but I can change it. I can't change it. I have to go KP tablet graph. Oh my god, it's It's a built-in analog stereo. This one. Hmm. So that's saving. Okay. Hub control maybe. Okay, now it works. I just don't think it's playing at all. Oh, it is. It is playing. What's the screen? Isn't this? Yeah. Well, by tomorrow, I will, as I have everything set up, I have no excuses at all. Uh, I'll try to get everything done. It's curiously pretty heavy. So people like the things like this. I don't know why. This one sounds super. Oh, like that. Like that. And my voice super close so you guys can hear me. I don't think there's much else to talk about. It's concerning that I have 2 days and I haven't even been able to complete the first chapter. I don't know what to do if I... Because at the same time, like, what am I doing what do I have programmed the leak code problems for? But at the same time, wouldn't it make sense if I test immediately what I learn? And at the same time, I don't know if it's a tablet maybe thing that is slowing down. But then again, if I go back again from another day, just out of context, everything's gonna sound like super alien, I guess. So I don't know what else, what do I have to get rid of. It's either the book. No, seriously, it's either the immediate problems after reading, because there are problems inside the book. I didn't account for that. I have little time actually on a stream. Like, before was 4 hours. I think I've spent like 30 minutes now playing. So it makes it like, I don't believe it's that long, but maybe it's close to that. So let's say I have 140 minutes, 1 hour and 48 minutes of streaming. That is far too little for what I intend. So I don't know. I don't know. The gaming, of course, is gonna go. I won't play at least on stream. I don't think I will play in a long time. Because, man, it's taking too long. I'm enjoying the process. It's just days I can judge as an experience just now. But I don't know. Things are like that. And also, I have a camera for the instruments. I just haven't tested. You guys hear me? You hear me there? I don't believe so, right? Yeah, that is the current state of things. with forgot you guys can't hear me at all. I guess you can hear me in the background a little. That's it. Oh, I should have. Well, whatever. I'm gonna end it here. It's been a bad day in terms of course. What I did in the stream. But I had to, for the screen, besides having to set it up, I had to drive to actually get it. But at the same time, I wasted a lot of time with a lot of things. Fortunately, tomorrow I will have anything, I believe. So I will have time to do things. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Let's hope tomorrow it's better than today. It's always right. I seem like a fucking rat, man. See ya. Da 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 da. Let's see if I get a DMCA. It'll be funny. I guess I'll tell you tomorrow. See ya.